What's going on? It's Roger. So finally I was able to get the 1976 Honda CVCC. This was one of the cars I had growing up. My dad bought, I think, in 1980 or 81, and that's what we used all the way up till 92, where he traded in and got our 93 Civic hatchback DX EG, if you will, right? Anyways, I've been searching for this, and like I always say in my other videos, the area that I live in is just horrible. So I had to get this online, and I bought two, and I wanted to open one of them, so I'll probably do that at a later date. But just to get my hands on these is pretty cool. Obviously with the COVID-19 stuff, a lot of the hobby shops are closed. One that I frequent, that he might not have had these Matchbox, but he probably had the Hot Wheels. He has more Hot Wheels. He's closed up, but you know, I've talked to him about getting some Matchbox, and he said he would keep it open, keep it open and talk to people. And obviously that's definitely not happening anymore, or at least currently, because he is out. Anyways, just wanted to share